7 p.m. What? That's crazy.
Isn't that real wild?
Thanks, man.
Thanks, guys.
All right, first run. Let's check out this map. Gopher? Starting with the blue. We got that. We can do blue, guys. Give me 2 seconds and I'll be ready to go.
Gopher it is it's great. I mean, you can stop at certain places just to make sure everyone's, you know.
Yeah, you take the lead. I'll follow.
Alright.
Go ahead.
You ready?
I'll follow you if you want.
All right. So this is Copper's bike park. It's pretty new. I don't know if they started it last year or they started it this year, but I'm excited to check it out. That stump is so cool. It's funny, if you ever snowboard down to my right, it's pretty gnarly. I love riding or mountain biking mountains that I snowboard because you can see the runs and things that you normally snowboard, and it's like so sick. In a different way, obviously, not covered in snow, covered in trees, laying down, things like that. Oh. How you doing?
Yeah.
So far, no jumps. I mean, debatable. There's bumps. If you're good enough, you can jump bumps. I don't jump bumps. Flowing though. We are chin mounted with the Insta360, by the way, guys. That's how we're filming this. I'll have all the camera setup stuff in the description. We might even do another angle on another run. Dude, this trail is taking you across the whole mountain. We're about to be on the west side of Copper. First jump. Let's go. So you could jump things like that. Oh, we got our first berm. Big berm. Oh, my brakes aren't squeaking that bad. I washed my brakes. Someone said, wash your brakes with soap and they won't squeak as bad. That's not bad. There's a jump. If you've seen my previous mountain bike videos, you know how bad my brakes have squeaked. So, hyped on the current squeaking. So, that's cool. This is my first run through. Obviously, you guys are watching it. So we're kind of seeing how this trail is. There's the jump. Oh, that scares me. Oh. This is sick. This is all new. You can tell that they built these. There's a jump. These up. This is all dirt they brought in. Oh, I'm so scared, by the way, guys. I just know Copper. Oh, there's a big one right there. Ooh. And Copper likes to do things big. And I don't do things big on my mountain bike. Look at the view though. Look at that view. I'll do jumps like that. Jumps that I can see the bottom of. Oh, my legs are burning. Did you crush that? Oh, that was fun.
It's good. It's good. The bottom's even better. The bottom's fun.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Yeah. There's just as a heads up, this winds down right to the top of the Woodward Express. There's like a really sharp turn at the very end.
Okay, good to know.
It's the very last one, and I think they did it to slow people down. But you're like, are you serious?
Oh, it's just gnarly and nasty.
Hairpin gravel turn.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nuts.
Whew.
Everything I like in a turn.
Everything you don't need. Do it, bud.
He's fast. I couldn't keep up.
He's hard to keep up with.
That is a nice berm. These berms are so new. They don't have rocks and stuff in them. They're just soft. Top of the Woodward Express. It's funny, we spent so much time up here. Oh, this thing is brutal. Yeah, we're good.
Alright.
That's a step up. Oh, look at this rock jump right here. That's sick. Into a berm. I wonder if we're gonna go next to the massive snow pile that Copper runs their summer camps by. I think they call it the island. Oh, dude, my brakes sound so much better. I like that, dude, they have bypasses, so if you don't want to hit the big jump, you don't have to. For little people like me, that's so nice. Oh my gosh. That would have killed me if I tried to jump it. See this thing right there? That's how they get the snowboards up to the snow. Oh, I almost killed myself right there. Ooh. Little plank, a little rock jump. Oh man, I can see why this is fun for some people. One day, dudes, I was looking at my old snowboard footage and how how bad I was at snowboarding and how long it took me to get good at snowboarding. And I'm like, yo, dude, don't know how you suck at mountain biking. You're so new to it, even though you've been doing it. Ooh. I'm not a naturally gifted person at sports, by the way, guys. It takes me a while. To get into them and get good at them. Now that I'm old with kids, I'm not old, but I got responsibilities and bills. We are not just gonna be forced to Busting it. Oh, first run down copper. This is so long. I'm trying to commentate for you guys. I'm getting so thirsty. This is the best part?
Yeah.
Oh, you're an animal, man.
Your brakes have like a, it's like a high-pitched squeak.
That is so much better than the like, it was like a horn.
It's funny, I can hear when you're braking though. I'm like, oh.
Yeah, it's a good sign for you knowing that I'm scared. If you hear the squeaking, I'm terrified. There's some sections there I was like, oh, we'll jump into another jump, like, ah!
One and done.
All right, I think this is the last section. He said this section's super fun. A little jump. I still case them. And you know what? I'm okay with that. I got pads now though, which gives me a little bit more confidence on the bike. I'm like literally holding. Look at this sick berm section. Berms don't scare me as bad as they used to. These used to terrify me. You can pass if you want. She got passed up by a chick. No, I'm joking. I'm totally sick. She probably rips. Watch how she's into this. Oh. Oh, steep. I'm like, I know I'm doing wrong stuff on the jumps with my brakes. I'm like, kind of still braking while doing it. Oh, big. Dang, look at this diving board. Ooh. I don't know if they're called diving boards, so you guys let me know in the comments. Ooh, this section is really fun actually. That middle section was pretty gnarly. That section was fun.
Is this the part with the really big ridge?
This is the one with the big ridge.
This is a good one.
The girl like scared the shit out of me.
Smoked me, man.
I was literally, like, she was on me, and I was like, I didn't even know anybody was behind me.
Right? She was quiet.
Woo.
Cruising.
Cruising.
All right, let's see this bridge.
Let it rip, bro.
That was sick. I don't have that. It's cool though, because all you little dudes invite me to come rip and then push me in a way. I would not have started with this blue. Obviously I'm able to to do it, I'll probably just be like, oh, let's start with the green. Copper got super rained on yesterday, by the way, so the dirt's nice and wet. Like that nice muddy wet. So it's not like slippery. I ain't doing that. This is the longest trail of my life. We are still going. It's gotta be like 3 miles. Ooh, Copper killed their bike park. I'm pretty sure they didn't have any of this last year. Ooh. There's a couple small jumps that I told you. I'm there. I got it. I'm popping. My back wheel is leaving the ground. At least I think it is. Oh man, this thing. Ooh. You know the dirt work that they put into this? Table. Oh man. What is this? Wood into the earth? I don't know, I got quieter. Started whispering. Maybe because I'm out of breath. Maybe because I need to drink water. Oh, I wasn't ready. That scared me. See, these are rocky berms. Oh, Angel Fire had really rocky berms. We did mountain bike to Angel Fire. I think we're gonna go back again this year. So subscribe to the channel for below average mountain biking content. Oh, oh, he's like 6 turns below me. They have a lot of these wood planks in these berm turns. Oh my goodness. How do you, I'm assuming you can brake on it. I don't know. This terrifies me. That was so scary. I have never rode anything like that before. Oh my goodness. Oh, I barely made it to the top. I think I had to pedal. I don't even remember because I was pooping myself. Oh, we're at the bottom, I think. We're at the bottom of West Village. Oh. Oh. My goodness. My arms are on fire. I'm breathing so hard. Oh look, they're building more trail right now. So it's not finished. They're literally still working on it. That was sick, guys. You killed it, man. Sorry if I went so slow.
That's fun, isn't it?
Oh, I wasn't ready. You guys like, it's a long one. I was like,
it's a long ride. You get to the end, you're like, I'm beat up.
Yeah, my legs are burning, my arms.
So we can get on Woodward, but it doesn't hit you as high, so we tend to go back and hit the Eagle.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And then if there gets to be a line in Center Village, you can just shortcut it by doing this.
Heck yeah, dude. Let's do it.
On the